Hi guys! Welcome back again for another vlog here in my YouTube channel, and we are at Cubao. And in today's video, we're going to visit a watch store here in Farmers Plaza, Cubao. I'm gonna update you on the prices of their watches, so check it out guys. And if you like this kind of vlog, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is an update of the prices of their watches here at Farmers Plaza, Cubao. What's up everyone? It's Dayan again and welcome back for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. So andito tayo ulit sa Farmers Plaza, Cubao at gagawa tayo ng content. May i-visit tayo ulit na watch store para magbigay sa inyo ng kaukulang update kung magkano ba yung mga bagong watches nila dito sa Watch Central. So yun yung i-visit natin. Ilalagay ko po sa ating description kung saan nyo sila ma-visit para may guide kayo. So, andito tayo sa Farmers Plaza, Cubao. This is second floor. Kasama ko yung jowa ko kanina. So, this is second floor of Farmers Plaza, Cubao. Yung jowa ko. So, para magkaroon kayo ng guide. So, may mga entrance dito from Farmers Plaza Market. Yan, yung local market dyan. And then, ang katabi nitong pupuntahan nating watch store is Abenson. So, ito yung mga appliances na they're on sale. So, meron dito, aside from Abenson, there's also like an Western Appliances Center. So, hivisita natin ang Watch Central. Siyempre, kagaya ng dati, tinatanong ko po kung pwede ako makapag-vlog. Pero pumapayag naman yung may-ari. So, yun ang gagawin natin for today. I-visit natin ang Watch Central dito sa Cubao. Today is May 1. It's Thursday. Holiday today. Yan. Visit natin itong store para magbigay sa inyo ng update. So, andito tayo ngayon sa prospects ng Seiko. Yan. So, itong Seiko is 23,940. Para makita nyo yung pinaka-closer look. And then, itong katabi niya is 26,530. Yung may blue dial. Yan. That's